I was about to leave work today. It's 3 o'clock on a Saturday. Day is over. And I found this selfie stick that Tara had squirreled away in a corner. Tara's got a lot of things squirreled away in corners. So a lot of surprises everywhere. So I always wanted to do Facebook Live for a business page. I wasn't sure how it worked. But my business page is hooked up to my personal page. I can only go live on my personal page, so I couldn't figure that out. I can hardly figure this selfie stick out. But I wanted to give you a virtual tour of the amount of lamp repair I have, and I'm just one person doing all of this. Customers come in and they're always marveling at the unique pieces I have, so I figure, I'll let you see it as well. So let me see if I can flip this and we'll go on a tour. So this is the hallway where I used to only have maybe 5 or 6 pieces of lamps, and I would try to get them out as fast as possible. And as you can see, it's a pretty long hallway that is lined both sides up and down with lamps. I get pretty cool stuff in here too. This floor lamp broke, but it has really cool markings on it. I have a lot of Capodimontes, which I'm going to be refinishing. Figurine lamps. There's a really cool mid-century modern Art Deco lamp. And a lot of this stuff has stories that they belong to a grandparent, a parent. So this is everything that goes down here. Now I'm growing out of the back. This is a pretty cool floor lamp. I don't know if you can tell the cool colors that's going on in there. But now this is what I'm working today on my table, or was working. It's an old chandelier I'm going to refurbish. This has pretty cool markings. Old chandelier I'm going to work on. More stuff I'm working on. And then we're going to come back out front here. And because I'm running out of space when customers come in, I have things kind of everywhere. This is really cool. These are 2 lamps that I just refinished. This has a marking. It's 1915. It's actually an old telephone that was made into a lamp. It has the black piece there that I have to screw in. I'll show you that in a few days when I'm done. There's an old wagon wheel that was made into a light. Some really cool older pieces. How cool are these pieces? This is an old one that I just redid for a customer. I powder coated it in white. She wanted to do more of an Art Deco feel. I'm going to do it on that one too. This, not my thing, but everyone seems to really love this. I have to fix that. This cool thing, it's all iridescent. And then even in the front here, there's more stuff. This is 2 parts of a chandelier. I had to fix an arm on this, and then I'm going to clean it for the customer. This piece is pretty cool. This tall chandelier I'm going to be making black and gold. It's just an endless amount of repairs. Forgot about this corner over here as well. Some cool things here, some older pieces. This one's really cool. This will be cleaned up really into something really special. So that's a tour. That is everything I have in front of me. I'm going to leave for the weekend and forget all about it for the next day and a half and see how far I can get ahead on Monday. Thanks for watching.